Batman, and the other one,
Why?
Tony Stark with what's the name? Come on, I can't think about that word. Come on, Tony Stark.
Iron Man.
Exactly. Yes, how could I forget that? Thanks, Ian. You see the character? They are both smart characters, and in particular, I like Iron Man because he's a scientist, so he's an engineer as well, and he wants to build something for they could be good at this world and at the same time very high tech. I like technology. I think I could say that since I was very young, since I was a kid, I liked the idea of building something, and just when I found out of the existence of computers, I just liked them and started to play with them, with very, very old stuff. I'm quite sure I was 11. My uncle gave me a very old computer with basic programming language, and I started to play with that. It was very basic, as the name says, and very old. I like to create, I like the creative part of my job, and I like user interfaces and stuff like that, so I always like to design user interfaces and in all the code behind it. I would recommend it if you have the passion required for it. I would recommend it otherwise, because I think it's a demanding job, and obviously it changes year by year. It's always different languages, different systems in general, but I can say that it's a job that you need to be very motivated. One of the benefits is that it makes you use your brain. I wanted to say this, that it's a job which allows you every day, and I think it's a benefit. I think it's something to be proud of. I think it's very good, like day by day, to use your brain for like a medium or complex logic solutions that you need to find continuously. It's a good exercise for your brain. It's a big field. It's getting bigger and bigger. It's like you cannot say that you can do anything when you talk about software development, because it could be many different things. Anyway, like once you start to study and work with it, you can decide what is the best according to your person, because we are all different, of course, and we all want something different. It's a very, very good field. It's a very good field. I've always liked, as I said, I've always liked in my life, whatever you can see on a screen. So if you talk about augmented reality, like, it sounds cool itself, and virtual reality as well. I like a lot. Speaking of what I have done for Laduma, I like a lot of the communication real time. So yeah, I think it's another important field nowadays.